Hello everyone, this is FMUSER. In this video, we answer the question, why do we use set-top boxes instead of installing IPTV directly on TVs? From the perspective of a system integrator, installing an IPTV system directly on a TV is not commercially viable. The best solution is to use the FMUSER FBE013 set-top box. The specific reasons are as follows. Avoid unpredictable system upgrades and UI conflicts. When the IPTV system relies on the TV, any upgrade from the TV manufacturer will directly affect the operation of the IPTV. All TV manufacturers want to compete for control of the default UI, and they will use various methods, including OTA upgrades in the middle of the night. In addition, Google is constantly modifying the underlying code of Android, and hardware PCB factories are also constantly modifying hardware, which causes functions that originally worked well to suddenly become paralyzed due to new versions. The TV in front of you seems to be an unchanging physical entity, but the software and hardware behind it are constantly changing. When a problem occurs, the hotel manager looks at the seemingly normal TV and will only complain that the IPTV system you installed is not working. Avoid serious Android system fragmentation and extremely low compatibility rates. A careful study of the Android TV industry reveals that TVs of the same brand but different sizes, or even TVs of the same brand and size, but produced in different eras, often use different Android versions and PCB motherboards. This creates huge compatibility issues. Our company spent 2 years researching the compatibility of these versions and found that the compatibility rate was only 10. It is not worth spending time on these issues. Save high equipment testing labor and time costs. Even when FMUSER cooperates with TV manufacturers like TCL, each batch of TVs still requires 2 engineers to spend 30 days for testing. If these TVs are used directly in your hotel, these heavy testing tasks will become your responsibility, which is completely unfeasible in terms of economic efficiency. Significantly reduce after-sales troubleshooting and logistics costs. If a set-top box fails, you only need to mail a replacement to the hotel. But if a TV fails, you need to arrange for someone to visit and troubleshoot the problem. If you are unlucky, you also need to arrange a vehicle to transport the huge TV, which will obviously greatly consume the system integrators' after-sales time and costs. Avoid commercial lock-in and hardware cost traps by TV manufacturers. Brands like Samsung and LG like to specify TVs with hotel functions when selling. Their real purpose is to lock in the hotel's purchasing behavior, forcing you to spend 5 times the price of the FMUSER IPTV system in the future. If you're dealing with a new hotel, you can suggest that they do not need to buy TVs with any smart features or hotel functions at all. They only need to have an HDMI input interface. This can save several times the price of standard TVs. Perfectly solve the rigid demand for 1 remote per room. Most hotels require that EA/CH room only provide 1 remote control. If the set-top box and the TV use different remote controls separately, it will cause inconvenience to users. Using the FMUSER FBE013 set-top box supports 1 set-top box per room equipped with 1 TV remote control, completely eliminating the trouble of needing a separate TV remote control. 1 remote control can handle all functions. In summary, using the FMUSER FBE013 set-top box not only completely physically isolates the IPTV system from the uncontrollable TV system to ensure stable operation, but also saves you significant costs in testing, after-sales troubleshooting, and hardware. When it comes to hotel IPTV, choosing the right architecture is more important than anything else.